go to the gym. With that smoking ability. All eyes on Derek. That's in your lungs.
That's a power hit.
Oh,
Shut George. Okay, come on. Let's go, man. Real quick.
We're just like so healthy right now.
You can watch that. It's like a little dragon.
That is so healthy for your lungs right there. Oh, cancer.
Well, video on iPhone 4 is gonna love it.
Wait till the iPhone 5 won't have new video, but the iPhone.
That is so smoky.
Let me try the power hit thing.
Okay, why do you do that though? Like, what's the point?
So be an idiot. There's really no point.
Let me try that after.
Like, why do you smoke it in? Like, why do you go? Why?
Because it makes it really hot.
She was engaged.
There are almost smoke machines over here.
That's not good for your lungs at all. You want both?
It's kind of fun to think that smoke is in your lungs.
I don't like to think about it.
Yeah, that's really gross. Actually,
Chair, can I put a chair?
Yeah, that's why I moved over.
do you have a chair?
It's locked because it opens on its own.
Yeah, it's screaming, it hits me in the head.
How far is this chair?
They're just out by the fire pit.
Yep.
Far enough.
Are there shoes?